Peremptory challenge refers to the right of the plaintiff and the defendant in a jury trial to have a juror dismissed before trial without stating a reason. This challenge is distinguished from a challenge for cause, reason, based on the potential juror admitting bias, acquaintanceship with one of the parties, or their attorney, personal knowledge about the facts, or some other basis for believing he or she might not be impartial. The number of peremptory challenges for each side will differ based on state law, the number of parties to a case, and whether it is a civil or criminal trial. The usual phrasing used by lawyers exercising the challenge is "Juror number 7 may be excused."